The Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple in Ayodhya stands as a symbol of faith, history, and national pride. For centuries, this sacred site has been at the heart of religious storytelling and cultural identity for millions of Hindus. Today marks a historic moment as the second phase of temple's consecration ceremony begins. This milestone is not just a religious event, but a grand display of devotion, tradition, and unity. Before the main Pran Pratishtha or installation of the deity, a majestic sacred procession was held, stirring excitement among devotees and visitors alike. Here's a special story from Foresights TV. The second phase of the consecration ceremony at the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi temple in Ayodhya begins today, officials announced. A large sacred procession started from the Sarayu river on Monday as a special step before the Pran Pratishtha. Authorities have put Ayodhya on high alert for the event. The ceremony focuses on the newly built sections of the temple. The first part includes the consecration of Ram Darbar on the first floor. 6 new temples within the complex will also be blessed during this event. The Pran Pratishtha is scheduled for June 5th at 11:25 am. The Ram Darbar is on the first floor. It has marble statues of Lord Rama, Goddess Sita, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughna and Hanuman. The statues are about 4.5 feet tall. The idols of Lord Rama and Sita are carved from one stone. The schedule for the second Pran Pratishtha lasts 3 days from June 3rd to June 5th. On these days, the temple will host detailed rituals. These include Vedic ceremonies and mantra recitations. The timeline of the Ram temple shows key dates. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone on August 5, 2020. By December 2023, the first phase was finished. The temple is said to be fully consecrated on January 22, 2024. Work on the temple spires will start with gold plating on May 27, 2025. The second phase's consecration is planned for June 5, 2025. The remaining work should finish by September or October 2025. The consecration of the Ram Darbar is a historic confluence of faith, heritage and national pride. As the city of Ayodhya shines bright with grand lights and devotion, this moment marks a significant milestone in the temple's construction. The Pran Pratishtha ceremony on June 5th at 11:25 am will be a culmination of centuries of faith, resilience and reverence. We'll keep you updated. Stay tuned for more updates from Ayodhya. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Foresights TV.